Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, nowadays a bone chilly winter is going on, and in this season, everyone likes to have an authentic Indian spice tea, yani Indian masala chai, because it gives a great relief during winters. Making tea brings a good friendship in your relationship. It unfolds the love, the clarity, the compassion to your family members. The spices which I am going to add will work magically in the body and mind. So today I am going to prepare spice tea. And as we all are English learners, so let's learn English while preparing this tea. So without further ado, let's start. First of all, put a saucepan on the gas stove. Pour 2 cups of water in it and then light the stove. Let the water be boiled. Take a mortar and pestle. Put a piece of ginger, 2 cloves, 3 or 4 black pepper, a small piece of cinnamon, a small piece of bay leaf, a cardamom, and 4 or 5 basil leaves. Coarsely crush all these ingredients and add them into the boiling water. Turn the flame low and let it simmer for 1 minute to infuse the flavors and release their aroma. Now I am adding 2 teaspoons of tea leaves and 3 teaspoons of sugar according to taste. The amount of tea leaves depends on how strong you like your tea. Let it simmer for a while. Add 2 cups of milk. The ratio of the milk is equal to the water. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil over a medium flame. Be careful not to let it boil over. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the flame and simmer for another 1 or 2 minutes until it develops a rich color and robust flavor. Now turn off the heat and place the strainer on the kettle and strain it carefully. Put the strainer aside and close the kettle by twisting its lid. Now I am pouring the tea into the cups. It's a little darker than other normal tea. And yes, my super delicious and reviving Indian spiced tea is ready. Thank you.